Yeah, I saw some gum coming up too. Good grief. Something down there just grabbed it, tweaked me into it. Must have been a tack strip. So I need to get behind here so I can stack all my hose back here and pull away from it. Makes it easier to control. Oh yeah. You know how much I love steps. Yeah, this is gonna be good. And it keeps going to another level. Good morning.
Good morning.
Dang. Can you not get any better? Oh, classic. So even on the back side here, we have more carpeted stairs. So this is gonna be a workout, and it's hot. Hot as blazes in here, no airflow. I hear a little slurpy machine going on. Dude, tarnation. Oh my gosh. I feel that breeze, dude. Holy smokes.
That's warm.
It is warm.
It's warm. These ones ain't bad.
Aaron's not on a mic, he's on his own system right now. He'll get some footage too we'll put together. Woo! Nice. Understand why you picked the stairs. Good job. We've only got a square corner to do that I'm standing on. You want to move? We'll be back with you, I think, on the stairs.
The fun stairs.
Oh, they are terrible.
I'm not gonna sweat.
They're awful.
Those are gonna get nuked.
Yeah, definitely nuking them. All right.
It's about this big around.
Okay. Well, you missed a bunch of really fun stuff because I was busy looking at a apartment next door with some of the greasiest luxury vinyl plank you've seen in a long time. We might be back to fix that up. Garbage?
Yeah.
Well, this ought to be good. Oh, yeah. Flip over. The bottom side. Down one. Here, gonna put up a little fight so we can break it down. My goodness. Can't hardly see anything there, but hey, look at the reveal. Not bad there.
I'll take it.
Yeah, no lie. Notice he didn't have to stand on his head to do that?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Yep, somebody pulled something there. Dude, we're worse than Courtney. We're at a 3-flow.
Yeah.
4-flow shoddy. We're at a 3-flow. Well, on that wand we are. The others are 8s and 9s.
It's not hot.
No, not a bit. Hang on, buddy. What'd you do? Something hot?
I feel like bed bugs or something.
Yeah, I know. Remember what that looked like? That's pretty impressive. See that? Another one right there, there. You name it. We got it. Oh, took it for another kidney donated. God dang it. Still same procedure, what we do. I feel a breeze.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
It's not enough.
No. I can tell you I'm definitely thirsty.
Yeah.
Ha, missed my shoe again there, buddy.
Those waterproof ones?
I don't know. No. Guess not. Oh, you're gonna do that, Ed, too, aren't you?
Yeah.
I was standing on her. Don't stand in the pre-spray. You'll die.
How dare you?
Yeah, how dare you?
These things are hammered.
Yep. All right. Well, these should come out pretty good. Boy, I tell you, they were looking pretty worn, torn up.
They were looking pretty pathetic.
Yeah. I know there's a spot in there you can't see. Nope, can't see it at all. Oh, just about fell off that rail there, Aaron. That's not good.
Yeah. Don't do that because you're above me.
Yeah. We're going down. All right. Well, we'll try to video down there on the really bad stuff in a second or two. them just like magic on that.
Dissolvo might take that.
What's that?
Dissolvo might take it.
It's yellow and brownish though.
Might be food.
Can't see nothing.
Yeah, nice try.
Good. Hey, it went away for the most part. See that chopping stroke to get in that corner? You know, I can still see a little bit. Can you feel it if it feels gummy?
Yeah, it's gummy, but I'm not going to touch it because I don't know what it is.
I'll get some Dissolvo.
Yeah.
There's another spot in the camera right there. Yeah. There, that's better. I'm trying to get that thing on the ground. There. Oh, that was Dissolvo material.
Yeah.
Well, would you look at that? All right. Well, that's done. Okay. Yeah, they've been, yeah.
I don't know if it was the greatest install.
Yeah, kind of wondering what
Or
happened.
they're just getting beat.
Could be beat.
They are beat, so.
Focus. Well, at least it's gone.
Yep.
All right, if you look at those, much improved.
It is hammered. Good. I can just get some heat up this thing too.
Well, everybody, again, thanks for being here and checking out the channel. Maybe give us a comment, a thumbs up, and a like if you would. Even consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. It's a little shorter version, but things that have been going on for the past few weeks have kept me quite busy with my family and my dad. Just want to report he's doing better. If you've been following, and he's at our hometown care facility, doing much better today. We'll be hopeful he continues to just get his strength back, and we'll see him out maybe on the channel someday. Anyway, again, thanks for being here. Look forward to seeing you in the next one, and I'll try to get back on schedule a little bit too. Like the truck? I do. My new Ram. If you haven't seen, this is the custom stripe we did. I drew that on my computer. Made her work. Kind of notice it? Little S design. By the way, we have a lot of good greasy restaurant cleaning jobs I've got video for, and I'll be editing and you'll be seeing shortly. So come back, enjoy it. It's been a long time since Luna had a stick. Got your stick? There it is. Luna's got a stick. She loves a stick. It's an early morning, and we're out taking care of stuff here, doing the business. Hi. You don't know what to do though, do you, Miley, huh? Poor little girl. All right, let me throw the stick for you. She's peeling it all off. Ready? Here we go. Go get it, honey. Early morning, throwing a stick, having fun, aren't we? Been a long time since you had some fun with a stick, hasn't it, honey? She said, I'm taking it in the house. I'm going to peel it all off from the carpet. Gonna get that bark off it. There's not much left of your stick, honey. It's the most excited she's been in a long time. Miley, we're just gonna eat the remains of the stick. Magic word. Treats. We're all gonna go get some treats. Hey, their treats are better in the house. You've heard me before. Hey, Tuck. Tucker, our 15-plus-year-old kitty. Yes, I know it. And you two, varmints, little varmints. One for you, one for you. Tucker, we'll get you yours too. Okay? Hey, you get out of Tucker's treats. There you go, Tucker. There you go, buddy. You're done. No, you've got yours for the day. No. Stay out of there, you little devil. God dang, are you? Good enough, buddy. Yes. Huge.